Proceeding further. Now we know, according to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. Can I fill the same here? V is equals to I current has been passing through. R resistance means total resistance. S stands for series, which I want to find. V1. Now where there is a potential V1, current is I, but resistance is R1. Can I use same formula? V at the place of V1. I is the same, but R will be R1. So let me apply the same I into R1. Then I am having for this V2, current is I, but R is R2. So same formula R2. I think it has been clear. It has been clear that I is common, so we can take it out. Now it will be R1 plus R2. It is clear. R1 plus R2. I will be cancelled. Means we came to know that this is RS. So we came to know that resistances in series when are there, their net resistance is simply the sum of all. Means if R1 is 2 ohm, you know the unit. If R2 is like 3 ohm, understood? It means the net resistance will be equals to RS is equals to 2 ohm plus 3 ohm, which will be equals to, series will be equals to 5 ohm. Is it clear? I hope this is clear. Means net you can find if they are 2, if they are 3, like R3 is there, R4 is there. Means in series, if I'll tell you, in series it is simply a sum of all the resistances. Understood? On the other hand, in case of this, again Ohm's law, V is equals to IR, but that R can be divided here. I hope this is clear. According to Ohm's law, V by R is equals to I. Can I write here? V. Now V upon R. R for parallel. Understood? Now I1. Where I1 is going? So V is still same V. But R is R1. Where I2 is going? V is still V. But R is R2. So it will be V upon R2. I think it has been easily understandable that V will be common. So V upon RP. V is common. So 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. V will be cancelled out. Only 1 left here. So 1 upon RP is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. I hope this word RP is clear. That is for parallel combination. Now same. If in series we were adding directly, here you have to add by taking their LCMs first. Like R1 is 2 ohm. That's been same this one R1. R3. Means if same R1, R2 I am taking here also, that is 2 ohm and 3 ohm. Is it so? So let me find out 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So RP will be equals to 6 LCM, 3 plus 2, 5 upon 6. So if I'll reciprocal it, RP is equals to 6 upon 5. So it will come out to be 1 point something ohm. Now why I am doing both, like to tell you that when we are in series, when the two are arranged in series, then the net resistance will be more than the greater resistor, the greater resistance. So means from 2 R1 and R2, R2 is greater, but the net is greater than R2. But in case of parallel, it will just simply 1 point something, like let it be 2, 3. But in parallel, the net resistance is smaller than the smaller. So smaller is R1. So in parallel combination, overall resistance decreases, but in series combination overall resistance increases, which results in more like bill and all, more wastage of electricity in the form of heat. But here less bill will be coming, electric bill will be coming, less wastage of that light energy in the form of heat. So means we concluded that for parallel combination, it is simply the sum of all, but by taking their reciprocals.